guys, welcome to the video. Today I have an exciting unboxing from the Christmas Animation 2021. So if you're interested, just keep on watching it. So I wasn't actually planning on getting anything from this collection. I just happened to see a few items in stock and this is what I decided to pick up. It just came today and I don't have this item yet in my collection. So let's go ahead and take it out. It's nicely wrapped this time. Of course, the receipt is in here with the label and everything. So this is the box. Let's open it up. So I got the passport cover. I haven't seen this in person yet. I just really thought it was really cute. So here it is. And this is Vivienne in Hollywood. This is the front. And then you open it up. This is the whole view. There's a little teddy bear there. And I believe, I'm not sure what this is. This is the Pochette Matisse. It's wearing a scarf. And then the street is 1854 West. With the palm trees. It's really cute and really pink. In the front it has in the front it says Hollywood, and then it says Louis Vuitton and then LV. And then she's holding what looks like a strawberry shake. What I really liked was the interior. It's the fuchsia pink. This one is made in France. So this one has 4 credit card slots. It also has an extra one here, and then of course the space for the passport. So that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna grab a few items just to do a size comparison. So the dimensions are 3.9 inches across, 5.5 inches in height, and about, it says an inch in width. Excuse me, an inch in width. So this is what it looks like in comparison to the pocket organizer. It's pretty big, I would say. All the way up, goes up to there. And then next to card holder. To the card holder. And last, I'm going to compare it to a compact wallet. This is a Zoe wallet. I also have a review on this if you're interested. That's what it looks like in front of it and the side. So I don't really plan on using this as a passport holder all the time. In the meantime, I'm probably going to use this as a card holder, as well as maybe put a little notebook here. I want to take notes just to remind myself. So yeah, that is the passport holder, and this is from the Hollywood collection. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.